Are you looking to build your brand and potentially collaborate? Then let's take a look into AHA Creator. AHA Creator is a smart platform specifically designed to help creators secure brand partnerships effortlessly. It connects creators with top-tier advertisers in these cutting-edge industries and provides tailored tools for managing collaborations, payments, and content creation, enabling creators to focus on their innovative craft. We branch out to all types of creators, whether you're a nano-influencer with a loyal following or an influencer with powerful content. If you want to work with brands that share your values and style, you can sign up completely free and get connected to brand deal opportunities. Top-tier brand matchmaking. AHA Creator uses AI to analyze your content and audience, matching you with perfect brand deals in the AI and tech industries. Secure truly valuable collaborations with advertisers who align with your niche. Fair and secure earnings. Get 50% upfront payment and the price you truly deserve. AHA Creator's AI-driven system ensures fair rates by evaluating your audience, quality content, and market trends. Create viral magic. With AHA Studio's creative inspiration, you'll craft engaging and shareable viral content that makes a big splash. Effortless Collaboration. AHA Creator simplifies collaboration by managing every step for you. From matching to payments, it ensures quick feedback in a hassle-free process. Getting started. Step 1. Connect your social account. Link your social account to verify your AHA account and start accepting invites. Connecting your account only helps us verify ownership of both accounts. AHA will not have access to passwords or account management. Your data stays secure. Step 2. Accept invitations that appeal to you. AHA AI Agent will intelligently select the best brand deals for you. Be sure to keep your eye on your email invites and accept them promptly. Step 3. Get paid 50% first, then start creating. You'll receive 50% of the payment upon brand confirmation, and production can begin once payment is received. Step 4. Meet the execution process timelines. During production, each step must be completed within the reasonable time limits, ensuring the interests of both you and the brand. You have 2 opportunities to extend a deadline by 2 days each. However, extensions are not recommended unless absolutely necessary. Step 5. Meet content requirement and get inspired by AHA Studio hits. Your content must meet basic requirements that won't restrict your creative freedom. Focus on link placement and positioning. We also offer hit ideas for your brand deal video, which can boost views when used as a reference. Final step, Step 6. Publish and receive the remaining 15% payment. Post the video according to the requirements, and once the system detects it has been published, you will receive the remaining 50% of the payment. Creator Partner Program. Earn money doing what you love. Promote AHA Creator by creating content and earn rewards. Receive $15 for each referral, plus a 10% cashback bonus up to $10,000 when they complete their first deal. Share your link. Make money from every registered user and their first brand deal. Video. Create tutorial, comparison, or walkthrough videos and add your referral link to the description. Social. Talk about us on Twitter, TikTok, Instagram, or write a post on Medium and use your link to point to AHA. Blog posts. Link back to AHA from a blog post or tutorial on your own website. Friends and community. Directly send the link to recommend it to your creator friends or community. To get started, press the Start for Free button. Log in with either your Google account or your email address. Once you have created your account, this is how it will be presented. So you connect your social account. This is a step-by-step on how to start. And here you can invite, this is your link. These are all the invites that you have sent. And deals, of course, and then your payment method, where you can keep track of your payments that you have received through this website. If you wish to take a look at this website, The link will be included in the description. If you have any questions, there is a support chat button right here that you can click. Report any problem that you may have or any questions, and they will get back to you as soon as possible. That is all, everybody. Thanks for watching, and have an amazing day.